How to share your referral code in MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily share your referral code in MEXC application step by step. First, launch the MEXC mobile app on your mobile device, or you may also go visit mexc.com on a web browser and sign in. Once you're inside the home page of MEXC after logging in, go to your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open up your profile section where you need to click on Referral. Once you're inside this Referral tab, go ahead and look for this Refer to Level Up button and tap the three dots right next to it. After you do that, you'll come across this Share button where you can easily copy and share your referral code. Your referral code will be displayed over here at the bottom. Tap on the Copy Link button, and once you copy the referral link, you can share it with your friends via messaging apps, emails, social media, or share it directly on your website or blog. Make sure your friends use the referral code when signing up to qualify for rewards, and then you will be able to share your MEXC referral code in easy and a straightforward way to earn bonuses. That way you can safely invite friends, track their activity, and maximize your rewards. So that's how you easily share your referral code in MEXC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.